In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do Amazon affiliate marketing without a website. Coming right up. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius Mckinney, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post weekly content like this all the time. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to affiliate marketing, make sure you grab my free affiliate marketing ebook. It will the first link in my description, and it will help you how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step and all the ins and outs you need to know as a new beginner. So make sure you grab the free ebook in my first link in my description. And the benefits of watching this video to the end, you'll learn how to do this step by step and how you can make at least $100 doing this simple method. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Now let's get into today's content. So the way you're gonna do Amazon affiliate marketing without a website is basically you're gonna do on YouTube. So basically you're gonna put out simple YouTube videos on YouTube about your product or whatever your niche you're in, and basically you're gonna talk about the product or whatever, and then you're gonna have a call to action button say, hey, click the link in my description and check out the product I'm promoting or I'm using to do this video or whatever you're talking about your Amazon product. So that's basically what you're gonna be doing. So basically, there's 4 simple steps you're gonna do with Amazon affiliate marketing without a website. So basically, step 1 is pick a niche. Number 2 is basically pick an Amazon product to promote in your niche. Number 3 is basically drive traffic from YouTube to your affiliate link. And number 4 is make a sale once somebody buy the product or service you're providing within your YouTube video. Now you might be thinking, okay, this is very easy to do, but really, honestly, it's really not because there's other steps you need to know. Like this stuff you need to know, like keyword research. You need to know how to tag your videos. You need to know how to do proper SEO and how to tag your video and get good thumbnails and stuff like that. So it's a lot of stuff to keep in mind. So basically, I'm gonna break down how to do this step by step for a beginner. So make sure you watch the video to the end because I don't want you miss any steps of how to do this. Because if you do, then if you miss one simple step, then basically it's not probably going to work out for you because you have to watch the video to the end. So make sure you do that. Now, for example, for this video, we're going to do a niche called gadgets. So basically, you can just pick any niche that you're passionate about, and basically, you can pick any Amazon product on there and start promoting on YouTube and basically start getting some sales with. So, but this video, we're going to just do gadgets because those are the easiest way to start making sales with Amazon because everybody like gadgets with Amazon and stuff like that too easy to use. So make sure you watch the video to the end. So basically, so once you find a gadget product you want to promote, so let's say you want to promote this like this iPhone charger or something. Basically we can go to like YouTube and basically we can just type in your niche like gadget and then basically do iPhone charger. So basically what you want to do is basically find long tail keywords to start ranking for because if you go for like short tail keywords, so short term keywords are basically keywords between 3 and 5 words, and you do that, then basically you're probably not gonna rank as high because those are short tail keywords. Because even though there's search a lot, there's a high competition. So when you're starting out doing Amazon affiliate marketing without a website, then basically you want to do long tail keywords because between 5 and like 10 keywords because this short term there's not search as much, but there's less competition, so you can get ranked more. And the more you get ranked more, then you can start going for higher competition keywords to start getting more and more traffic. So when you're starting out, you just want to go for short tail keywords. I mean long tail keywords, so you so you can start end up a search. So basically, where you can find keywords is basically a tool called Keyword Tool IO. So Keyword Tool IO basically is a tool where you can find keywords that are used for your YouTube video and start ranking for. So basically, you will go to the tab on the right here and call YouTube and basically type in your niche. So basically, whatever your niche is, you basically type it in for. But for this purpose of the YouTube video, we're gonna do gadgets. So basically, you can go to keyword suggested or preposition. But personally, I like preposition because they give us longer keywords to use. So basically, you can find long tail keywords to use for. So basically, something like this is good, very good. So cool gadgets buy on Amazon or new gadgets on Amazon, and basically we just find keywords we can start potentially rank for. So for this purpose, we're gonna just find like a keyword that's like something long. So again, so we're gonna just find cool gadgets on Amazon, and we're gonna copy that link and basically go back to YouTube. Now, to find keywords to start ranking for is basically a tool called TubeBuddy. So basically, you can type in a keyword on TubeBuddy and basically paste that link and basically click explore the green button right here. So once you do that, then basically going to show all these keywords that you can potentially do a video for and start ranking for it for your video and start making some sales with. So This is something very good. So as you can see, it's yellow. It says good. So this has enough volume searches, but as you can see, the second bar right here, competition, is it's kind of fair because it has a lot of competition. So you want to find a keyword that has low competition. So something in the green, where somewhere between orange and yellow. So that's what you basically want to aim for. So they give you more relevant keywords around this topic. So you can basically click the second one to see if it's a better one. So basically, you can click this one to see if it's a better one. So as you can see again, the search is very high, but the competition is very high as well. So basically, this is probably not going to be something good to do. So basically, you can click video searches again to see get another good score. So we're gonna click this again. So as you can see, the last video search we got was very low competition, but this has low search volume. But that's very okay. That's very good because when you're starting out, you want to have that because so you can start getting noticed on YouTube. And so you want to do a lot of views, something like this, even though it has low searches, but it has very high competition, so you can potentially rank for it. So basically, what you could do is basically copy this, um, the keyword, and basically copy it and basically do a video for it, and then potentially start doing videos for it and start making some sales with it. So if we go back to the YouTube video, then we can basically type in that keyword. So type in that keyword and see what pops up, so you can do video after it. So as you can see, something like this, so you can basically do videos around this keyword. So as you can see, people are still getting millions of views just from doing this simple video. The next person get 2.1 million views from this video. The next person almost got 500,000 views from this video. So as you can see, it's still people getting views from this, even though it's long tail keyword and it's not a lot of searches from it. So as you scroll down some more, we got 17,000 views from this, 1.3 million views from this. So you can still do YouTube videos for it and still get ranked for it. Now, once you do a video for YouTube, basically you're gonna start ranking on YouTube, and basically you put tags so to help you rank for YouTube, and basically have a good title on YouTube. So basically you can type the keyword that you're trying to rank for, and basically have some stuff to trigger people want to click on the video, and basically that's what you basically do. So basically you can use a tool, like I said, a tool called TubeBuddy to help you do tags as well. So they're ranking for 2 tags. So that's why they get good amount of traffic. But even though they got a pretty decent amount of subscribers, they're still ranking for some tags to help them rank for YouTube videos. So basically, all your tags you want to start ranking for them on YouTube, even though they're ranked only for 2, because the more tags you're ranked for, the more searches you're gonna start getting on YouTube, and along as well your your title as well. So once you have a YouTube video, you talk about your product and stuff. You want to have a call to action button, say, hey, click the link in my description to check out the product I'm using. And then basically, this is like the Amazon affiliate link. And then once somebody click the affiliate link and go to the Amazon, and once they buy the product on Amazon, then basically you earn a commission. And that's how you start making some sales with Amazon affiliate marketing without a website. Now, in order to get your affiliate link from Amazon, basically you need to sign up for them for free. So you can click here, join now for free, and basically sign up with them to join with them and get for free. Now, when you sign up to them, they're going to ask you for a website and stuff. Basically, you don't have to use a website because this is without a website. So basically, you can use your social media platform like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or anything like that, and use it as a website. And basically, you get accepted in there. And basically, once you get accepted in there, basically you can get your affiliate link, whatever product you want to promote in your niche. And then basically you start promoting on YouTube, and then you start making sales. So basically, that's how you do Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you turn on post notification. Also, make sure you like and comment on this video because it gives me more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that. And I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.